In the heart of Eastern India, a world-class Ayurvedic hospital is redefining healthcare by combining time-honored wisdom with modern science. At Sri Sri Ayurvedic Science and Research Hospital, we are dedicated to healing not just the body, but the mind and spirit, making us the premier destination for Ayurvedic care in the region.
Our hospital here at the Sri Sri University campus provides a state-of-art health facility not only for preventing forthcoming diseases, for also treating currently existing diseases of the patients.
Recognized as the leading Ayurvedic hospital in Eastern India, we offer state-of-the-art facilities integrated with ancient healing practices.
तो गर्भ संस्कार एक ऐसा संस्कार है 16 संस्कार में से जिसको हम प्रेगनेंसी के दौरान एक वुमन को देते हैं ताकि वो अपने आने वाले ऑफस्प्रिंग में गुड क्वालिटीज़ और बेटर वर्जन और बेटर प्रोजेनी उनकी आगे वाले फ्यूचर में आ सके. एंड थ्रू द श्री श्री यूनिवर्सिटी कैंपस वी प्रोवाइड दिस फैसिलिटी टू द ऑल नेशन वाइड पीपल. Not only nation, also international women are also consulting us through the online mode and getting the benefit of this therapy.
All kind of eye and ENT treatments, and we also do general eye checkups and ENT checkups. In eye treatments, we have a lot of natural Ayurvedic, freshly prepared things we use for our therapy.
With 100 inpatient beds, our hospital delivers personalized treatments, including Panchkarma, surgery, obstetrics, pediatrics, and physiotherapy.
The ancient scriptures of Ayurveda say, Adau rogam pariksheta tato anantaram bheshajam. It says nothing but first the disease has to be examined properly, only then a treatment can be given.
Every day, lives are being transformed at Sri Sri Ayurvedic Science and Research Hospital. Patients from all over India come to experience our personalized approach to healing.
मैंने नाड़ी परीक्षण कराया तो डॉक्टर साहब ने वो स्कैन करके मुझे जो भी मेरे अंदर प्रॉब्लम था ना वो सारा चीज़ उन्होंने बता दिया. बड़ा आश्चर्य हुआ सुन के कि बिना इनको कुछ बताए उन्होंने सारा बीमारी कैसे फाइंड आउट कर लिया. और इसके बाद फिर डॉक्टर साहब ने जो मुझे ट्रीटमेंट के लिए एडवाइस किया तो वो जो थेरेपी कराया तो उससे पेन में बहुत रिलीफ हुआ.
The doctors are very nice here. The counseling is good. Even the therapy, the massage therapist, they are also very good. And I got to know about this university from a fellow doctor. I took the decision to stay here for a week and get the Uttar Basti treatment. And as of now, the treatment is very good.
Sri Sri Ayurvedic Science and Research Hospital is not just a healthcare facility, it's a center for education and research. We train the next generation of Ayurvedic doctors to apply these time-honored practices with compassion and precision. Through clinical training and groundbreaking research, we are redefining healthcare for the modern world. Our mission is to heal, educate, and transform lives. Our vision is simple: to integrate the wisdom of Ayurveda with modern medicine, creating a world where healthcare is compassionate, comprehensive, and effective. Sri Sri Ayurvedic Science and Research Hospital isn't just a place for treatment, it's a sanctuary for healing and transformation. Whether you are looking for relief from chronic conditions or looking to enrich your knowledge of Ayurveda, this is where your journey begins.